Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix error loading mods in Minecraft. So the first thing, when you got this error message here, you need to identify what mods is not loading. So in my case, as you can see here, it's Batty's coordinates plus mod. For Forge, as you can see here, has failed to load. So I know exactly what mod is causing me problems. And then as you can see here, for Forge has failed to load. And if I go to the Batty's coordinates and scroll down to the dependencies page, I can see instantly that this mod does not run with Forge. And I tried to run with Forge, so I know my issue here in this specific case. And also, once you're on this page, look if you need additional mods to be installed in order to Batty's coordinate or other mod to be working. So go to the description and look, maybe you need to install more mods in order to Batty's or your mod to function correctly, right? Like with this example with the Tinker's construct, you can see you need additional mods. As you can see here, you need mantle to Tinker's construct working. So be aware of that as well. Also ensure that mods is compatible with your Minecraft version. So let's say I want to install Sodium, and if I go to versions, I can see that there is a 1.21.8 for Fabric. So I need to make sure that my Fabric version is the same when I install the mods. And if I go to installations here, I can see that I have this Fabric version. So it's likely that there will be no mod conflict with my game. It will be the same version 1.21.8 and it should probably work. So if you have a basically older version of Minecraft, then try to or Fabric, try to install older version of Sodium as well, so you don't get any issues. Another fix that can fix your problem is you just need to go to mods folder here and then go to mods and disable mods one by one. Just basically move from the folder and look if the game is starting or not. And if it's not starting, then what is just to do here is to completely uninstall Minecraft and reinstall again, and also reinstall mod loaders that you're using. So let's see, I have Fabric Loader, just reinstall Fabric Loader and look if the problem still persists or not. So yeah, that's basically it.